Hello students, today we are going to do a literary term which is very important, tragedy. The Greek concept of tragedy. Aristotle's concept of tragedy, which has been worked out with great insight and great comprehensiveness in his book called The Poetics, has a profound influence on the theory and practice of tragedy in England. The Greek conception of the word tragedy is a goat song. For the Greeks, tragedy means one of the three serious plays presented before the satyr, plays at a dramatic festival. Greek tragedies were serious in tone, but many of them had happy endings. Aristotle's definition of tragedy. He defines tragedy as, quote, imitation of an action, serious, complete, and of a certain magnitude, in a language beautified in different parts with different kinds of embellishment, through action and not narration, and through scenes of pity and fear, bringing about the catharsis of these or such like emotions, unquote. First, the definition distinguishes tragedy from other forms of poetry. Its object of imitation are serious action, and hence it is different from comedy, which imitates non-seriousness. Secondly, tragedy on the basis of its manner of imitation is distinguished from the epic, which narrates and does not represent through action. Next, Aristotle examines the plot of tragedy, which should consist of a logical and inevitable sequence of events. The action it imitates should be complete and whole, that is, that it must have a beginning, a middle, and an end. Aristotle also emphasizes that the tragic action must be in accordance with the laws of probability and necessity. It must not be too long to permit an orderly development of action into a tragedy. Neither it should be too long nor too short, and it must be an organic whole. Thank you.